What's up, slappers? I'm Sam, and today I'm going to be playing this Ultimate Dirtbike USA, and I already recorded 2 videos for gameplays of 2 different games, but the videos decided not to save, so hopefully this one saves, and if it doesn't, that's really gonna suck. But I'm playing Ultimate Dirtbike USA, so let's go ahead and play number 1. Okay. Jeez. Without crashing, so I can't crash. That doesn't sound very fun. Oh yeah. Wow! You nailed it! Oh, do I have to keep going? Oh, no? Okay, next. Number 2. Alright. I'm gonna be a pro biker when I grow up. Oh, I looked away from the screen for like 2 seconds and I crashed. Man, that's not even cool. Dang notifications. Say something about an A. I don't know what I said though. Oh! Jesus. Oh. I don't know what that said, but you know, I don't need to know. Close enough. Collect nitrous for birds. Ah! Die from those. Whoa. That was super fancy. Well, I want to get to the lumpy. Okay. Whoa. That was wrong. X or N to brake. Okay. Retry this. The X really does break me. Oh, jeez. Yeah, go. Ugh. Why? Why are you trying to kill me? I hit a spike? Alright, I guess I can't hit the spike. I'm assuming that's something I can't do. Okay, so let's go ahead and stop. Go! Yeah. You did it, boy. You did it! Oh, jeez. Oh, that didn't even look right. That was a little brutal. Yeah. Jeez. I forgot to brake. Go. No, don't you dare crash on me. How am I supposed to get over that? I don't understand. It's like not possible, man. No! I can't do it. Go! Yes, I did it. Okay, I didn't think it was possible. Didn't seem lumpy bumpy. That sounds fun. Wow! Oh man. We're gonna do this one. This one's gonna be a good one. We're gonna do this one. Vroom, vroom. I did it! Yeah! Like a boss! Linked. Sounds interesting. Whoa, that is uncool. That is uncool. Oh, wow, what? Oh, that's not even fair. Sorry about that, guys. That was uncool. Dang it. Alright, we're doing this one. How do I do this? I don't understand it. Why? Why do you kill me? Okay. Yeah. There we go. That was better. Well, please don't beat me more. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. That was cool. Yeah. Yes. Yes. No! No! Oh, I thought I had that one too, man. I'm never gonna be able to do this one. This one's hard. You can do it. Oh yeah. Okay. No. No, 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 no. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You guys don't understand the frustration till you tried this. It's, oh my gosh. It's so difficult. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's right. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You know what? I already quit this game. This game is so stupid. Oh my god. I'll put a link to where you can play it in the description. Oh geez. Sorry it's a short episode. Raging. I have a lot of stuff to do. Ugh. Just pain. Oh Jesus. Oh, sorry about that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. I mean, if you did, slap that like button. But everybody have a happy, safe Thanksgiving, and peace out!